Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. In today's video, we're making breakfast hot dogs. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you would need hot dog buns, bacon, ground sausage, mild cheddar cheese, eggs, butter, heavy whipping cream, cinnamon, sugar, and vanilla extract. Start by breaking off pieces of ground sausage and rolling them into links. Wrap the links in bacon. Place sausage links on a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Next, shred the cheese. In a bowl, add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and about a tablespoon of cinnamon. Whisk. In another bowl, add 4 eggs and 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. Season eggs with salt, black pepper, and add a handful of cheese. Mix well. In a skillet, add a tablespoon of butter. Coat hot dog buns in heavy cream mixture. Place the buns in the skillet and toast on both sides for about 3 minutes. In another skillet, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add your eggs and scramble to your liking. Now it's time to put the hot dog together. Add cheese, eggs, and sausage links. And there you have it, breakfast hot dogs. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.